G'day guys and welcome to another video. You're here bagging it with the best. I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and today we're going to give you a few pointers on how to cut the tubing nice and clean to create an awesome airtight seal. And we've also had a few questions lately on how to release the tubing from our push to connect fittings. So, Benny, shall we get started?
Definitely.
Alright, so I'm going to use a tube cutter to cut the tubing here. Now, if you've got scratches and stuff like that on the airline, make sure you cut behind those scratches, like this. And that way when you push this tubing into the push to connect fitting, you're going to create a nice airtight seal and there's going to be no leaks or anything like that. So cut it nice and straight, nice clean cut. Grab the airbag, push it into the push to connect fitting here on top of the airbag. You'll hear a little pop sound, and that ensures that it's locked in place, ready to go. Now, to take that out, all you do is push the little collet in and then pull at the same time. You pull that out there. Now, when you're reconnecting the tubing, make sure you recut like so, and then push it back in, and away you go. Nice and easy. Now, Benny Boy is going to use a sharp Stanley knife to cut the tubing, and then he's also going to use a spanner to release the tubing from the push to connect fitting if you're having trouble doing it with your hand. So Benny, get into it, mate.
So you want a sharp Stanley knife, it's got to be sharp. Get your airline down on the bench somewhere you're not going to damage it. And just press down. And we'll get a zoom in shot of this as well. Nice and straight.
That's actually not straight. But anyway, let's do it again.
It's stitching me up with a long line.
Come on, man. I've got to look good for once. Alright, go for it, Benny. Come on. You can do it. Ooh. Nice. Solid. That's great. You want to use that bag, actually? Use both. Let's do this one. Do this bag here. So there's a few different examples here. We've got the coil helper bag with the push to connect fitting molded into the bag itself. And then we've got the push to connect fitting we screw into the top of these style of bags. And here you go. Nice and easy. Now if you're struggling to get the tubing out of the push connect fitting because it's been in there for a long time, whatever it may be, you can use a spanner, and all you do is the same technique there. You want to just show that again? Push the in shot, zoom in shot, that's it. So you push the collet in and then you pull the tubing out, so nice and easy. So that is how you create a nice airtight seal and insert the tubing into the push to connect fitting, and then have the ability to take it out nice and easy as well. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you bag it with the best, and we'll see you next time.